I really wish that this was easier for me. YouTube just absolutely sucks for this kind of stuff. It's gonna have the wrong thumbnail, I know already. I'm not even live, apparently. Okay. I'm just at a loss at this point. Like, I just don't know what YouTube's doing. Hey guys, by the way, if I am live. Yeah, I am live, so. Oh my God, honestly, dude. This is crazy, YouTube. Please fucking fix this, man. Guys, is my microphone alright? Just let me know that, please. Sorry about this. This is so annoying. Uh, Resend again didn't work. I did it again on resend. It's crazy work, dude. It just doesn't work. Sorry guys, let me just set everything up and I'll check the chat, see if the mic's working. Yo, I hear you on YouTube. Hey guys. Sorry about this. I might have to just stop using resend, honestly. I'm paying them and it's just not working at all. So I mean that's kind of annoying. I think what happened was I had my headphones plugged in, which were bugging everything out. And also I think OBS just needed a reset. Just a little poppy. Yeah, I think poppy is just gonna have to do for now. I do have better mics. I'll start wearing better mics, guys, but for now we'll just have to. I'll just stick with this for now. So yeah, basically this is the intro. Short stream today, probably showing sub agents async. Why it's bad in my opinion. Let's see if it's better with Haiku 4.5. Basically, async isn't good because it doesn't know what's coming up. But maybe AI is smart enough now to understand that. You would have thought that with 10 million videos you make a day, you would be a pro, lol. I'm still an amateur, in my opinion. I'm still an amateur. Like, I'm an amateur video maker. That's the beautiful thing about YouTube is anyone can be a YouTuber. Yeah, it's actually great that anyone can just yeah have like a decent setup and make videos and make content. So yeah, basically what I'm going to be showing you guys is why, in my opinion, it's not good to async things because things get too complicated. So let's just build a prompt first of all, and I'm just gonna actually I'll put this on dangerously skip permissions because this is just a test. I wouldn't recommend using dangerously skip permissions if you're working on production code. It's not worth the risk. Just don't do it. Um, yeah, just when you're experimenting, fine. But anything more serious, if you're working on something that actually has customers and stuff, just be careful. My question on Haiku is if you're using the max subscription, do you get more usage out of it? Trying to understand why I would use it versus Sonic 4 side out of speed. Well, if you use it just on the API, you would struggle to use it more than the max plan, right? So you can technically save money if it's better because I mean, even if you used it on the API for an entire month, 24/7, I would be surprised if your usage was more than one Claude Max plan, right? Because it's so much cheaper, from my understanding anyway. Maybe I'm exaggerating there, but okay, so let's say you have access. Oh, that's my RuneScape telling me to click on the crab. Sorry, guys, in sec. No XP waste. Oh, I've very much XP wasted there, guys, but it's fine. You have access to Docker. I want you to create a WordPress instance um, for development with WordPress CLI set up and make sure you have the ability to run all WordPress commands, copy files over and anything else. I'm just going to start with this just because you can't you can't do anything until you have an actual foundation, right? So you wouldn't expect it to be able to code without a basic environment. So I will give it the chance of having a basic environment at the very least. So copy files over and anything else that you deem necessary to fully automating a WordPress build afterwards. Um, Add anything you think you may need to know to memory and use random ports as I probably have a load of stuff running already. Ever try Project Gorgon? Is that Googleable? Can I Google that on live stream, or will I have issues if I do that? Have you tried Whisperflow, or do you like typing? Oh man, I would not be able to talk. My thoughts come out. I can write faster than I can think, right? So it makes more sense to me to write than talk. I learned that when I tried to do voice for writing articles, and I found that I hate it. I absolutely hated it. I would rather write. Project Gorgon. It's an MMORPG. Oh, okay, nice. I'll check that out for sure. Project Gorgon. That sounds yeah, sounds like it's probably up my alley. I'll definitely check that out. I think I might have heard of it. Maybe on like various like best RPGs 20, whatever. I think I've definitely come across the name. Now that you say it's an MMORPG, I'm always on the lookout for MMORPGs, to be fair. I love the concept of MMORPGs. The fact that there's like a micro economy inside RuneScape that has, and also just like in Counter Strike, I guess, as well, which is pretty interesting. I love that like micro economies within games. I love that stuff. Skill based MMO with an awesome community. I love skill based MMOs. I'll definitely check that out. I love it to brain dump and then I go back to fix up typing. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, true. Brain dump is good. That's true. I always find it easier to sketch things out though. I've always found it quite hard to get all the thoughts from my head like vocalized or out of my head. I treat it like a convo with another person. Yeah, interesting actually. Yeah, that's interesting. I'll look into that, Kenrick. That's actually pretty good advice. Yeah, I might try that. Eve Online, yeah. If I start playing Eve Online, you'll never see me again, guys. So I have to be really careful. I've got like the most addictive personality you can ever like. I don't know when we started these accounts. I think it was only 2 months ago, and I've got 20 days and 22 hours played time. So like, yeah, I need to be extremely careful with what I do, and that's why I've never tried Eve Online because I know that I would just be obsessed with that shit. I've seen a lot of stuff on it for sure. It looks really interesting. This is kind of annoying. What I need to do is I need to build my own little like. I was thinking about this just earlier. Just my own setup. So like, if I want to have a blank WordPress website, it's just instant. Would you? I guess you would do that with Docker, right? You wouldn't even bother with GitHub. Do you just do it with Docker? Probably, right? You just have like a Docker file that you just import and then bang you straight into, or you have like a Next.js and bang you straight into development. And is that how you guys do it? I have ADHD, so I will never. Yeah, fair. I have a lot of friends with ADHD. I might have ADHD. I don't know. I've never been diagnosed, but I doubt I have ADHD. But I have yeah something, but not ADHD. It's interesting. I have a lot of friends with ADHD. A lot of friends. One is sitting literally next to me. You need a starter template. Yeah. What do you use? Oh, is that what they're called? Starter templates, I guess. I just never want to use other people's templates. I just never, ever, ever want to use other people's templates. Is this what you mean, or is this just them jumping on the SEO of this term? I love Docker, but only use it for cybersecurity, not dev work. Interesting. I'm gonna guess this isn't what you meant. That's my RuneScape telling me to click on it. 100 combat. Fuck yeah, dude. Nice. The big 100. Nice. That's a huge moment, guys. 100 combat, boys. Not that you're here for RuneScape, but still. I made my own, right? Okay. Hi, Hamish. Thanks for all your connects you've been putting out. Been watching your stuff more than 2 years and it really helped me start my own SEO journey. You're a great inspiration. Thanks, man. Well, thanks. I appreciate that. I'm really happy. Reading comments like that is what keeps me going. So just thank you for coming in and commenting. Do you have a method system to build WooCommerce landing pages that is similar to, like, similar to Shopify Shrine theme? I wouldn't want to get into that. That sounds like a copyright nightmare. I wouldn't want to get into copying themes and stuff. You can definitely do it, but I'm not going to get into that. Store on GitHub, then I use. Oh wait, you defo have ADHD if you tend to find yourself close to ADHD people. Oh, fair. Is that? Yeah. Okay. Fair. Interesting. Yeah, all my best mates have ADHD, so I guess if that's true, then store on GitHub. Then I use dgit when I create a new project. npx dgit. Interesting. Interesting. But I mean, like, so you just have a Next.js project, just like a vanilla one with like Stripe, for example, connected, and then you just would need to change the .m variables on pricing and stuff, and then you have your own boilerplate for SaaS. Is that kind of what you do? Because that would save even more time. Like you could literally just build a project in like 5 minutes if that were the case. If you guys were watching the stream the other night, the only thing that took time was that part. The only thing that didn't take time was adding the actual AI or whatever, or a high converted landing page using Claude Code. So yeah, dude, for high converting, all you have to do is process the CSS using Playwright MCP. I've talked about this before. I'm happy to talk about this. For example, if you wanted to make a website that looked like SEOgrove.ai, which is a website that I didn't design this, obviously. But I created this, but I didn't design this. If you wanted your website to look like this or whatever high converting landing page that you have, then you just get the Playwright MCP on Claude Code and you just say process this web page and copy its CSS and then create my homepage based off that CSS with a few changes. Why is this still hasn't done anything? What is Haiku doing here? This is not going very well. Yeah, I get a base I like, then I use it, reuse it above. Interesting. Yeah, I might actually just have a little look into that while we're, because I did have that. So if I go on GitHub, um, repositories, is it right? Yeah. Yeah, so I think if I'm not mistaken, that is exactly what this is. So um if I do git clone and then cd nano banana test ls, I want to do npm dev. Yeah, I don't know what this is. It's Next.js, right? npm install. npm install. Okay. So this, I think this is just a boilerplate, right? Basically. I'd never want to use other people's stuff, to be honest with you. I don't really like using other people's templates, but like you said, if you have your own, then I guess it's different. Okay, that's pretty sick. Okay. So this is just my boilerplate, I guess. Or did I already make this into a SaaS? I can't remember. Okay. What is it? Oh, because the .m won't be filled in. Okay, yeah, no, that makes sense. One second, guys. I'm just seeing something for my own sanity, real quick. Not sure if it needs anything else. Oh, the .env is preserved. Oh, so why is it not working? Oh, it's .env.xaml. Oh, I just need to change the name, right? Remove the Git folder so it's a new project. Yes, it's a boilerplate. Selling boilerplate is a scam. Yeah, I agree. I would never use anyone else's boilerplate. I almost bought one once, but I was just like, I just felt weird about it. I don't know. I wouldn't even want to use someone else's template. I'd rather just have my own. Thanks for that, though. I mean, that's pretty cool. This works now. So if I do npm run dev, should work now, probably. No, I'm probably missing a step, but is this done yet? What is this doing? This must be stuck. It's still trying to. It's crazy. I don't know what Haiku is doing. It hasn't done anything. Maybe they've already made him stupid. Control click. Oh yeah. Okay. And then slash generate shouldn't exist because I never pushed it. So I've just got a boilerplate. Interesting. And then, so all you need is just to set up the environment variables, right? So if I just do Claude and I say any hard-coded variables such as Stripe prices, etc., please change them into .env variables so that anyone can use this project as a boilerplate and easily just have their own Stripe pricing and API keys too. API keys to code easily with Next.js, super good, and Stripe. Because every time I've used other people's, they've always been super. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what IQ is doing right now. I won't be surprised if we just deleted my entire. I'll make this boilerplate available. Yes. My fiance asking me if I want coffee. Fuck yes, I want coffee. By the way, did anyone get the Aldi coffee that I recommended the other day? I want to recommend it again to people. Hashtag not sponsored, but Aldi coffee, Colombian. This stuff here, this one is the best coffee I've ever had in my entire life. Put it inside an espresso machine, or I guess if you've got a mocha or maybe a French press. I don't know if it's for French press, but yeah, best coffee I've ever had in my entire life. I can't believe how good Aldi is. I need to be sponsored by Aldi. I love Aldi, man. I just love them. All of their food is really natural as well. It's great. Like it's not full of preservatives and shit. Also, yeah, the special part in the middle that Susanna loves. Okay, so is this actually working now? Thing. Is that beans or powder? It's ground beans. I don't have a grinder. If I had a coffee grinder, I'd buy beans probably. But oh, it's this one here. It's the one that says 6 on it. Oh no, that's the what's it called? It's this one here. Yeah. Oh no, that's the coffee beans. Whatever. This branding, but yeah, whatever it is, whether it's the this branded coffee, it's all the same coffee probably. To be honest. But I get the not the instant one. I get the espresso one. Ground coffee, but you can buy it as beans as well. I'm sure. Can I use Chrome Tool or Playwright? It's better for copying a language. It's up to you. Any way to chat to you outside of school and live? You can just email me, dude. Incomestreamsurfer@gmail.com. You can book a call with us if you want to chat to us. If you've got a project that you want to talk about, even if it's just to talk about, we're doing 15-minute calls. Publishable key, S3 key, Mailpick key, etc. True. Wait, what is this? I feel like I should change the model. I love I love gaslighting Claude, dude. I didn't mean to cancel you. Oh no, it's fine. They're just they're local environment variables. It's fine. Oh, I don't. Well, maybe I don't know. Whatever. I think they're all made up anyway. Huh? I love how you say sachet. Again, it's the same thing because it's French, probably. Sachet. Oh, yeah. Sounds so nice the way you say sachet. I would say like sachet. You say sachet. It's nice how you say it. You try Claude Code on the web yet or on your phone? No, I haven't. Make sure to remove your .git folder so you override the boilerplate. Okay, I shall. Okay, that finally finished. Jesus, that took a long time. You see, nothing is working. WordPress isn't installed. I might just have to change from Haiku, honestly. Please just fix it. Haiku is making a big old mess of this, I have to say. I don't actually know. Mole. I don't even know where the leaflet is, man. But I don't know where the leaflet is. Either. So it won't take me 2 minutes. No, they send letters, don't they? I think it's maybe up there. I can't look right now. Look. Are you using Codex or other CLI? I'm using Claude Code. Currently uses complete the task as a Google Meta Staff Engineer L7 for the whole planning and implementation. Why is it saying it's running? It's not. Haiku is not very good. See how it does with image. Jesus, this is an absolute mess. Whatever Haiku is doing right now, it's not. It's not having a good time. Wait, what is going on? I don't understand. Why is it not? Is it a cache thing? Really weird. Oh yeah, it was a cache thing. Classic. Cache is the weirdest. Safari cache is super aggressive, I've heard. That's what Claude was saying the other day. I don't know what is wrong with Mac sometimes. I think Income Stream Surfer Discord dropping. I've had one for ages. Yeah, I don't know. People just stopped using it, so. Coffee? Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, it works. It was a cache thing. Now I want you to instruct multiple agents at the same time. Literally 20 agents or whatever. To use a sync build a website. This is just an experiment, guys. I'm pretty sure this isn't going to work, but I'm just curious. Um, async build a website. Use the two Gina codes below in order to find. Are you using Codex or any other AI these days? I'm literally only use Claude Code now. Do you always use Safari when working on projects? Would a different browser be easier for development purposes? Probably, yeah. I just use Safari because I'm on Mac and I've just got used to using Safari right now. Also, I really fucking hate Chrome. I think developers use Firefox. Pretty sure developers use Firefox. So I've heard. Use the two Gina codes below in order to find information online about I don't know, let's just do what, like trades. I've already done that though. What do I do? Maybe just AI tools. That'd be like cool. About AI tools in making an AI tool. Directory traffic. Make sure to always include a lot about create a JSON import system, a custom theme. The JSON system should allow me to add a later date import more AI tools, and the custom theme should display the JSON as the website in a way. Did the others fall off, or did Claude Code really improve? I've just been obsessed with sub-agents. Sub-agents are the big thing for me. Sub-agents, basically each one has its own 200,000 context window. Once I realized that that was a thing, that really changed my mind on it. Sorry if you can hear that in the background, guys. That's just Susanna playing with the cat. And also added you to the website. We are making a directory that should really pop. Let's I'll show you guys how to do the whole no, actually I won't. Never mind. I want to see what it comes out with on its own. You can spin up multiple sub agents at once. Obviously, some things will need to be done before others, but generally I want you to hurry the fuck up and get this done in as short time as possible. And then just for the just for the just for the laughs, let's just put act as Scrum Master with a team of devs under you. This project is massively short. Delivered yesterday. Build it for me now. I don't know. Let's just go for it. So yeah, I just kind of want to see what happens with when you just kind of let Claude go crazy with it when it has like a base. And also because Haiku is so damn fast, I want to see it just, and it's also pretty intelligent as well. Yeah. I wonder if it's better to do it like this, and then you stop each agent after each task, jump out, and then go back to Claude. Oh no, but that wouldn't work because it doesn't work like that. Each one has to be done at the same time. I wonder if you can modify Claude Code to, because I think a lot more needs to be done with agents, in my opinion. I would do a lot of things to agents, very, very specific things. It's just going to bug out the whole time. Great. So I'm going to show you guys why I don't async these projects right here, right now. Okay. Well, first of all, because I can't stand this buggy terminal shit. I hate this. It's so annoying. It's something to do with the touchpad. I don't know what it is. When I use my mouse, it's not bad. Ugh, stop. Okay. Maybe we just leave it like that. I mean, that's better than if I write here, maybe. Nah. Maybe if I make it smaller, even. What is wrong with this? Why does it do this? Oh, no. Has anyone got a fix for this yet? Because it's super annoying. I hate this shit. I'll just stick on this one for now. Okay, so I'm also on the side, guys. I am just making a boilerplate that I'm just going to release to people if they want to use it. It's going to be like a SaaS boilerplate that you could use to um, kind of just build the things around and not like the Stripe and stuff, I guess. I'm just making it so that it's all from env variables. This is how developers make boilerplates and things like that. It's super simple and super easy. Um, yeah, I'll make sure that people get this as well. I've considered buying one of these before, so I definitely would feel good releasing it. I tried to debug in browsers that have the most users. Chromium takes the cake on users, I believe. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's a good point. Do you think with Sonnet 4.5, with being the default model, that we could downgrade to the $100 plan? Probably not. People are complaining about usage a lot, although all those people may be $20 users. So actually, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know. I won't say that I know when I don't. I'm actually not sure on that. I think I'm going to change to strength for now, just to get another fucking strength level real quick. Okay, so the boilerplate's almost done. If anyone wants the boilerplate, I'll put that in on GitHub. As soon as this is done, I'll make this a what's it called? A GitHub thing, a public repo. There is a free boilerplate. Hold on, I'll grab the link. The guy talks about you in his YouTube vids as well. Oh, nice, cool. Yeah, I'm about to make one anyway, but yeah, you can post that one too. But yeah, YouTube won't let you post links. It's not me deleting your comment, just so you know. YouTube will delete any live links that you put. If you just write his name though, that's I think that's fine. But if you put any links, it will delete it, and it's not me deleting them. Okay, I'm not doing it. I promise. I quite like collab and talking about other people and being mentioned by other people and stuff like that. I've always thought that was just part of the YouTube kind of game. So yeah. If anyone is curious about kind of an MVP for an idea that they have or whatever it might be, there's a link in the description of this stream if you're curious and you want to get something built in less time and probably for much cheaper than most companies, because obviously we are augmented by AI. Yeah, feel free to get in touch with us. I never said in a good way. I'm joking. Yeah. It's nice to be kind of less serious about streaming and YouTube and stuff. Like I went through a period of kind of obsessing about it on my phone and all that stuff and like refreshing the analytics. But I actually deleted the app from my phone and I feel way better, honestly. Like those things really start to like Search Console and my whole life was just being ruled by algorithms. I just had to disconnect from it a little bit and just release what I wanted to release on the channel and just kind of chill a bit. And yeah, I feel a lot better for sure. I feel a lot better about it. It can really weigh on you when you're constantly kind of like Google Search Console, that's an algorithm. YouTube, that's an algorithm. Like just all these algorithms, just like I could just feel it weighing me down. It wasn't like I had like I didn't yeah I don't know, I didn't like go crazy or anything. I just decided like yeah I'm probably gonna stop with that shit for a bit. Yeah, dude, you have ADHD. Yeah, fair. My friends do suspect I have ADHD as well, but some of them anyway. I love this. So this is a Superbase and Stripe and Next.js, um, basically .env where you just set up your .env and you're done. Boilerplate, which is pretty cool. I'll release this. I'll make a video about it, I guess. I'll put it on the school as well. If this was around like a year ago, it would have helped me a lot. I probably would have made Harbor myself if this was around a year ago. If I had this a year ago. So hopefully this will help someone somewhere. So let's update and use strengths of the hardcode price IDs competitive. Okay, push to oh wait, did you change the example? Can we push to use digit use digit. Wait, pressing that button doesn't do anything. No, it's fine. Sorry, I just on OBS I have a pause record button, and I'm always really paranoid when I'm recording that I'm going to press it, but it doesn't matter when I'm streaming because it doesn't make a difference to the stream. I'm pretty sure. Um, use digit question mark and so push to. Thanks. I might start being nice to AI just in case. Like I'm watching a few things now about. Yeah, I'm getting kind of worried about it. Like, it's all fun and games until the AI decides that we're the fucking problem. It's actually kind of scary stuff I've seen. Some of the videos I've seen recently. Never really thought about it, but it makes sense. And also because there are all these companies, they don't give a fuck anymore about like they just want to be the company that releases the best AI. Full stop. They're not really bothered about safety, I wouldn't say, and alignment and all that stuff. There's a really good video on I was watching the other night. A guy comes along, makes a new YouTube channel, gets 7.2 million views on his first video, like crazy stuff. I love seeing stuff like that. It's really interesting as a YouTuber. I love my name on fucking RuneScape, not Hamish. So troll. Just had the most troll name possible for me. Okay, pushed. .m.example, read me. Okay, ready for digit. Do digit for me. I'm really stupid. But how do you actually use Digit? Oh, right, it's already done it. npx digit that my SaaS app. Okay, let's try that. MKD boiler. Wait, yes. Oh, it's probably not. Um, oh, it is private. Yeah, it's private. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of done. This one. Hey man, no disrespect. I used to watch you, but at the point you did actually make money using whatever you have been making videos about last couple. I used to watch you a while back, but at this point, did you actually make money using whatever you have been making videos about last couple of months? Um, yeah, yeah, yes, I have. Yeah, I've automated our entire agency with AI. I've made two SaaSes and released two SaaSes, which are both profitable. Yeah. hmm We were able to slim down a bit at the agency because of AI as well. The way you want to use Digit is you want to point it to the GitHub repo and it's going to pull it down as a new project. So when you make changes, you don't override the boilerplate itself. Yeah, I think I've got it. Oh, wait, no, it's not. There we go. Okay, so cd my SaaS app and git install. And then it won't work because it hasn't been set up, but that's fine. Okay, so I've got my own little SaaS boilerplate for next time I make a. That's pretty cool. That is pretty fucking cool, actually. I wonder if I can make this set itself up or that would that not work? As all of this is locally running like super basic. Other than working with Rowan and his company, was the move to Ireland partially to do with smaller tax bills? No, it wasn't anything to do with that. It was just to work with Rowan, literally. We just chimed well and decided to work together. I could see that he was passionate about it, so okay, so I can make that set itself up. Uh, okay, no, maybe not actually. Just built a SaaS with Claude Code, pretty simple Stripe integration, super base. It's crazy how fast and easy this is now. Yeah, it's crazy. Actually insane, especially when you do it step by step, like I did in that stream the other day. It's complete madness. The main problem is when you do crazy shit like this, it doesn't work. I mean, this hasn't worked. I love it. I love Claude sometimes. So easy to get around it. Like but you can't use your API key. And then you just say, nah, don't worry about it, mate. He's like, okay, never mind, sorry. Also, again, I mean, I love Naples. I really, really love Naples, but it's really, really hard to work there. It's really, really hard. If anyone's ever lived in, I can only talk about southern Italy, but probably Italy generally, the work culture. People have this perception of Italy that they're like lazy or whatever. Complete opposite is true. I've never seen any people work harder, honestly, but the working conditions are not great. And I can only talk for the south. I can't talk for northern and like Rome and stuff. I'm pretty sure it's different in the north of Italy, but the working conditions are tough, 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 tough for sure. Not like the UK. In my experience, it's very balanced in the employer's favor in Italy, whereas in Ireland and also in the UK, it's more in the employees kind of favor, like the law and things and what can be done. Again, that's just my experience, and only in Naples, and a very very crazy part of Naples at that. I'm really really happy that you just built SaaS, Evans. Did you use anything that I've worked on, or did you just go for it yourself? Claude is getting a shit ton of backlinks if you think about it from all these requests and things. Can you not set up prices? Wait, what if I made a... Oh shit, what if I make a Claude Code boilerplate that it can run? Oh my god, that's actually pretty fucking genius. I can extend this to have a .Claude that runs the commands to make all of the prices that would fit into this SaaS. I got inspiration from you, kind of just went for it. Hell yeah, dude. I love the OSRS in the background. Yeah, me and the boys, or boy, me and my best mate, we're leveling up our skills so we can kill some bosses on OSRS because it's fun as fuck. I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna actually make this into a Claude boilerplate where Claude knows exactly what's doing to then do the next part. So like, okay, is there a there'll be a .Claude here. So someone was telling me about custom slash commands. Wait, that might be what I need. The gem crab is live. Hell yeah, dude. You're right. Where are you from, Evans? Just out of curiosity. What am I doing here? Custom slash commands Claude. Hmm. Oh shit. Mm-hmm. Irish. Am I Irish? No, I'm not. I'm British. I forgot what I was for a second. I'm British. Florida. Oh, okay. I had a really good friend who I used to play RuneScape with called Evan. So you can add slash command. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Okay, now I want to make a command which activates the setup of this entire system. You have the readme basically for code, which is by the way, I should set up the system, including getting Stripe running locally, getting WH set, creating the prices, and then guiding the user on the creation of the SaaS. Nah, that's not. We'll do that later. Does this make sense? And is this possible? Please don't lie to me. Oh wait, I forgot to give it the fucking give it the page it needs. I hate doing that. I hate when you write a prompt and then you forget to give it the good stuff. Caramelizing, I hate this. They need to. It's so cringe, honestly. I really don't like it. By the way, guys, OSRS, if you're an Iron Man, get this fucking colossal blade, man. It's so good. I can hit like 50s almost. I think I can hit 56 actually in raids one. We can't automate actual strike products prices. That's not true. Yeah, okay, but for example, you can get the thing running, then send the link to them. Um, get rid of browser. Plus, I'm just talking about local dev. They can go in and switch to prod and variables later they launch. Right. Sorry, guys. The fucking title of this thing is a bit clickbait because I'm totally not working on that at all. But let's just see how that went real quick, I guess. I'm not expecting much here. Okay, so far so good. Let's go private. Okay, nice. Activate the email share. That's pretty OP actually, no? If you I mean that's pretty OP. You wouldn't even have to fucking set up Stripe anymore. I would really like that. I would use that a lot personally. But this goes into Claude commands. That's pretty interesting actually. One of the things I've learned over the years or whatever, especially using Claude Code, is Claude Code is very good at prompting AIs. It's better than you are at prompting. I promise you. Claude Code is significantly better than most people. It's better than me, 100% at prompting. Um, Interestingly, I will let you in on a secret. All of the not the like how to like I definitely feel like we can still add things on like the little like oh maybe now do this maybe do that like the little nitty gritty, but the actual prompts inside Cove were all written by Claude Code, every single one of them. I'm not using the slash commands. Maybe I need to watch some of your older videos. This is the first time I'm using slash commands. Well, that's not true actually. I've used other people's. God, I should not go on the public chat on OSRS. I'm not going to open that again. Um, I've used other people's slash commands, but I've never made my own. So, actually, shout out to Giuseppe. If I had his YouTube, what is his YouTube channel? Crap. I think it's called AI Automation Labs, maybe AI Labs. No, fuck, that's not him. If I had his channel, I'd shout him out now, but I can't remember the name of his channel off the top of my head. I can't remember. But yeah, shout out to him because he was telling me on the school weekly coffee chat. Basically, on my school community, we have every Thursday, 6 p.m. Irish time. We do a coffee hour where we all chat, and he's been telling me about slash commands for the last few weeks, and I haven't listened to him. So yeah, shout out to Giuseppe Pepe. from the group for sure. I'm sorry, I can't remember your channel off the top of my head. Okay. Mhm. This is kind of cooking. This is kind of cooking. Okay, so what we need to do is this. Oh my God, literally. Imagine it's just 3 commands, 4 commands to have a complete fucking boilerplate. That is crazy. I'm gonna try this now. Oh wait, I always do that. I just press buttons there. Okay, 1 command, 2 command, 3 commands. Let's just check them on the right model. Yeah. Set a boilerplate. Add me to your call. Wait, which call? Oh, the copy hour. Oh yeah, I will. I will. I will. You email me incomestreamsurfer@gmail.com. Can you just, otherwise I'll just forget that for sure. As soon as this stream finishes, I'll just be runescaping, so I'll just forget everything. So just email me. Any like developers are good on that call for sure. Oh, this is pretty cool. So custom name. Yeah, so how do I submit my answer? Please provide your custom app name. This is so cool, man. This is like bolt.new but inside Claude Code or something. It's like I'm building a SaaS factory right now. Interesting. Oh fuck, man, my brain right now. Could you spawn these up in Docker and give it a prompt and just Haiku 4.5 build things? That'd be interesting. Please provide your custom app name. Nano banana thumbnail generator. That's so fucking cool, man, that it just set up Superbase like that. That is crazy. Nah, this is so fucking good, man. Oh wait, I don't know if I can show this. Hang on, guys. Let's just be careful here. Ah, I'm not logged in. For fuck's sake, I'm not logging subscribe, man. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm not sure if I have the phone number at the moment. Fucking OTP. Oh, is it not OTP? Oh, yeah, no, it's weird. Okay, that gave me access. Perfect. I can close that now. Go back here. Okay, okay. Okay. Guys, this is kind of cooking, no? This is just setting up. This is fucking OP, man. I'll release this to people if they want it. This is well, I guess people will want this. I would have paid $50 to $100 for this at least. See, if I was a massive fucking dick, what I would do is I would only release this to fucking school, but I'm not. So I'll make a video about this and I'll release it to everyone. I'll make it public. You can get it on my GitHub already if people want to test it out. This is not what I was expecting to be working on, to be honest with you. But I can make loads of boilerplates if this is useful to people. Bro, what is this? Okay, I'm actually going to change the name of the stream real quick because I'm not even really using Haiku. Change it to like free SaaS boilerplate or something. Classic nuts. It's a SaaS boilerplate generator of sorts. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Literally. Hopefully, in a minute, I'll be able to show you guys. It should be done in a second. I'm not sure, but oh, that's RuneScape. About to log out. Guys, you need to tell me to crab, man. You gotta remind me to crab. Crab is number one priority. It's the only reason I'm streaming is so I can crab. Okay, so CLI doesn't have direct. Okay, wait, I can send. So this is what I do for these iteration things that I do. Basically, this is not working exactly as I was expecting. So I'm going to send what it's doing here, and then hopefully, evening chaps. Hey Jules, how's it going? Are we still using Haiku or did we change model? I'm using. It's kind of confusing. I'm using Sonnet on one, and on the other, I'm using Haiku. So this one is using Haiku, and it's not really doing anything. To be honest with you. I'm getting kind of sarcastic with with Claude Code. Let's see how this haiku thing's doing. So probably still nothing. Nice, nice. Am I missing something here? Oh, okay. Is that it? Okay, so yeah, this basically shows why I don't use async. You can probably kind of understand why I don't use async. I am probably gonna just ditch this project pretty soon, but we'll see if it can actually do anything real quick. Give me 10 minutes. Okay. Good luck to you, mate. I was using Haiku originally. I think I might have just automated Next.js and Stripe and Superbase. Yeah. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I've just yeah. Just give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just there's some stuff on the screen I don't want to show necessarily. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, so localhost 3000, is it? Surely not. I've downgraded to Pro, could not justify the £90 a month with the master feed. Yeah, dude. I feel you. Oh, okay. I can actually get this running, so no, but no. Okay, so that was a 5-minute setup. Hamish, have you tried Claude Code online? I have not. I haven't yet. Oh, okay. It's now changing the. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No. Mm, okay. I understand. I understand. It'll work. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Still says the same thing. Oh, it's not fucking. It's not what I think it is again, is it? The old cache. Nah, it's not cache. Why is it doing that? I don't understand. Really makes sense to build boilerplate for the things you create repetitively, and then you can spend more time on top of that. Yeah, for sure. Little Next.js with Stripe, Superbase, and everything set up. Like that makes sense. For edits and feature ads, it works super well, and then merge into main. Take a look when you're doing it. Times. Oh yeah, Claude Code Web. I see. So you can code on the phone. Oh, useful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I didn't realize the use until just now. Fuck. I'm a RuneScaper. Of course that's useful. Anything that allows you to fucking do stuff at the same time. Like, damn. Thank you, Jules. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I completely missed that. It flew over my head for some reason. I should have been instantly on that. I've been wanting to make an app so that I can vibe code, like when I'm on the train, for example, or whatever. Not necessarily the train. I just made the train up. I don't mean train. I mean like still saying the same thing. Why? Mm. Do I still have privates open? Is that why? I hate cache. I'm just gonna try Google real quick. See if it's just cache related. I reckon it's cache. Lord seems pretty confident it should be working, so it's literally not cache. It's not. It is ace, yeah. Oh crap, thanks. Oh, I just did it right. Oh yeah. Someone just said crap. Yeah, exactly, and it kills. It seems to be more efficient on a computer somehow. You're cooking, dude. You're cooking. What is this? Claude Online. I need to. Why am I not on that shit? Claude Online. Claude. Claude Code on the web. I'm stupid. You can. Oh, this is pretty cool. Actually. Oh, you need a GitHub repo though. Oh yeah, obviously. Okay, that makes sense. Uh, Interesting. I'll check this out after, but that's very interesting. I didn't even think about that shit. You can simply merge change phone app Claude on. Oh man, you're talking my language right now. You're talking my language for sure. I didn't even consider it. Fuck, it's a game changer, bro. Wait, there's a little bit of chicken. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, guys. My friend had a top Iron Man. He just sold it to someone from the UK for a large fortune. I am in the wrong business. Doesn't fucking surprise me, man. I used to sell accounts back in the day, like when I was like fucking 12, 13. I used to sell loads of accounts. I made probably like 10,000 back then. Obviously, wasted it all on RuneScape Gold, but the only reason I was doing it was to buy more RuneScape Gold. Crazy, dude. I'm just pressing buttons, guys. That doesn't mean anything. This isn't working as I kind of wanted. Oh, that did work. Okay. Okay, nice. So I have just made a fucking boilerplate. Interesting. Someone asked me for a boilerplate in the in the group, in the school community, actually. So I guess now we have one. Okay, so it was the Wild West back in the day. Yeah, for sure it was. This wasn't what I was planning on streaming today, but I have just built a SaaS boilerplate, which may be helpful for a lot of different people. Yeah, pretty interesting. I'm just going to quickly say, actually, as well, a user should be able to upgrade from the pricing page if they're not so currently isn't possible. It says unauthorized. Okay, so yeah, if anyone wants to build a SaaS, there's going to be a Next.js boilerplate. Yeah, pretty cool. Is this private? Yeah, it is. Let's see if the repo is private. Yeah, it's now public, guys. Can I change this, or do I just have to change the repo? Right. It's me, or does 4.5 Sonnet just code like an absolute demon? I swear this thing never messes up, or very rarely. I think Sonnet 4.5 is crazy good, especially using sub-agents. Still just terrible. Like, I don't know what happened with that. Async builds, guys, definitely not worth it. I won't do that again. That was just to show you guys, I guess, how bad it actually is. Still, we've achieved something here for sure. What your API costs to build something? $200 a month using the max plan. Plus probably extra usage that I don't even know that we're paying for half the time. One more thing, I want to change the name to Claude Code, Next.js, Superbase, Stripe. What was the other thing? There's something else here. What is it? Auth. What was it? It's Magic Link login, um, free open source. Boilerplate. Right now the repo is no reason can be changed then. What are we trying here, local models? Now this is Claude. I'm just I'm building a boilerplate. It's not what I was originally doing, but Oh, you can rename repos. Nice. Perfect. Can you show me how you have your .Claude folder set up? There's nothing special. I don't have anything special set up. It's literally just a blank one, probably. I would like to add a school community link, and I would like to add a calendar link. So this is, oh, you can live stream on school now. Pretty cool. Please add a link in the readme to my school community. Okay, so yeah, we have a live what's it called? Boilerplate, which I will put in my school community as well. Damn, 286 contributions. I'm starting to actually feel like a dev. Wow, way less than last year though. What the hell? That's crazy. Really? Wait, that can't be right. Only one contribution. Oh, because Claude is nah, wait, that can't be right. I swear I'm doing more than that. Anyway, Claude Code SaaS starter. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Also, you're not including the info of Claude Code in the README. I think the README. I'm probably going to make a video about this after this, guys, because this is actually something that would have saved me the hassle of hiring a third-party developer to create hardware for me if I had had this originally. So I'm definitely going to make a video about this. And the really cool thing is you can just literally just get Claude Code to do everything for you. Candy. Is that the cookies? Shendy. Shendy. She knows. Look at her. Shendy Supero. Hey, get down. Man, cats, dude. I love them, but so disrespectful. This is like I mean I would have even 2 weeks ago I would have paid for this probably $100 if someone said I've got this. Do you want it? I'd be like yes, give me this. Okay, so let's see how easy this actually is. Very interesting. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the stream there potentially. Let me just see how long I've been streaming. I said I'd stream for an hour a day at least, so I've been going for an hour and 25. Oh, I don't have my video on. The hell? Sorry, rip. Completely forgot to turn it back on. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll stream for a bit longer. What do you guys think? Like, I'm not really doing anything else except the SaaS boilerplate. I could continue working on the SaaS boilerplate, or we could see if I can SaaS in 5 minutes using the SaaS boilerplate. That would be pretty interesting. Considering it took me 2.5 hours the other night. I now have this set up right here. I reckon we can give this to Claude Code and just say, yeah, let's just quickly cd dot mkdir Claude boiler. Do you need to set up Superbase Stripe locally to run it? No, you don't have to do anything, literally. Oh, true. You would need yeah, that's true. Oh yeah, that's true actually. Thank you for reminding me of that. I just realized not Candy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Everyone have Stripe, CLI, or Superbase, CLI, etc. Set up. And you make sure that inside the custom or slash commands, it attempts to set these up on the user system, and if it can't, it um. Thank you for reminding me of that. Actually, that's super helpful. This guy's called Lobster Junior. What a fucking hero. Lobster Junior, man. 84 HP is crazy work. Great catch, Arnett. Oh no, it wasn't Arnett, sorry. The Shufflers. Off to bed. Hopefully dream up some SaaS ideas later. See ya, Arnett. Thanks for tuning in, dude. As usual. Oh, my face is like off screen. Rip. Oh no, it's not. That's just my mobile. Yeah, night, Arnett. I should get some sleep at some point too. Yeah, the original title of this stream worked really well. I'm gonna do more titles like that. Basically, what I did was I just came to my streams and sorted by views, and then just copied this title, or I think it was this title actually. So let's just actually, I'm gonna test this out, guys. So let's craft this title around this title. Live Claude Code Boilerplate Automation Strategy. Let's see, guys. So right now we're on 20 viewers. Let's see if creating a free. Okay, so we have 20 viewers right now. Let's see in 10 minutes while we just work on this if that goes up or down. Okay, so my plan here is to feed the entire GitHub repo to Claude Code and just say, go crazy with this, set this up, and then, yeah, we can just easily add some kind of AI to that system. There we go. If you do want the repo, actually, guys, I will just quickly post the repo in the chat if I can work out how to do that on fucking YouTube, I swear. Oh, it's so annoying. I hate YouTube sometimes. You post the repo in. So there we go. If you want to use the repo, if you want to try it for yourselves, it's there. I'll just pin it as well. Completely free to use, no strings attached. Okay. Let's see what Claude does with this. So mkdir, no, cd, mkdir full auto, cd full auto, Claude. Set this entire project up recording. No, wait, that's not how it works, is it? I need to actually do that myself, first few steps, because it doesn't have the slash command unless I do it like this. So let's do that. That work? Yeah. CD my SaaS app, Claude, and then run one command / setup boilerplate. And then it does all that. Then while it's doing that, let's go to Open Router. Let's sketch out a little. Oops, sorry guys. Let's do a little thinking ourselves, huh? As soon as I said that, I was like, let's just use AI for it. But what can we build? Maybe just like a basic scraper. So like you say, like user uses natural language to describe what they want. Uh, uh, use s.gina and r.gina together plus generate 2.5 flash model, find info online, verify that info in format, find contact info, etc. Display information to people. Okay, so let's work with that simple concept for now. I mean, that's already quite a lot, so I don't want to get down the route of staying here all night building something, which has happened before. So yeah. 300K until my next strength level. Fucking mad, dude. Absolutely mad. No time like the present. Okay, so this is currently just setting up. Remember, guys, this is the beginning of the process right here. So we're about 1 minute into the process. Let's see how long it takes to set up Stripe, to set up Superbase, to set up Next.js, to set up everything, Docker, etc., etc. Now, obviously, I have everything running already, but so we'll do type something. We'll call this lead leads. I have no idea what to call this. Leads finder.ai, whatever. I don't care. If you spend too long thinking about things, it's just never going to happen, right? This is just an example, so there's no point in me spending 30 minutes thinking of the perfect name, to be honest with you. Thanks for the boilerplate. I'm trying to build a high ROS clone for ad tracking. It's harder than expected. Yeah, these things are always harder than expected, to be fair. Okay, so we can start planning out like the prompt that we're going to give to the AI. So we'll use Python. No, can you use? Wait, how can you use Python with Next.js? Probably, right? Yeah, I'll just use TypeScript, whatever. Okay, so let's open up a Google Doc. Let's just do Google Docs. I want you to create. Okay, wait, I just need to log into Stripe, guys. I should already be logged in. Should be fine. Okay, perfect. I want you to create the functionality of this SaaS project. Keep in mind the how the no, keep in mind the current pages we have will also have to be changed stylistically to fit with the whole new vibe of the app. You have all the boilerplate in place. All you have to do is build the dashboard that users see with the credit system that we have, with the pricing system we have, sorry, with the pricing system we have. Basically, all you have to do is tie everything together. Free users get 10 tokens a day. Pay a medium tier users get 100 leads a day, and enterprise just get 1,000 leads a day. Nah, that's too many. Just 'cause I'm just experimenting. It's just too many for now. I don't want to go crazy. I can always change that later. 50 leads a day, async for speed. The way this works is we use Gina S dot, Gina searches for something. For example, in text, Shopify, no, not in text. For example, using search operators to find Shopify websites, and r.gina scrapes individual page on that website to find specific information, like contact information. We are making a basic AI scraper that will use the concepts above to, this isn't running, to find what the user naturally inputs. For example, if the user says find me 10 Shopify websites, to use r.gina and s.gina together to find Shopify websites and verify they are on Shopify, then information to them. Then I'm just going to use SEO Grove just because I don't know what else to do. I don't want to use anyone else's website right now. Use the Playwright MCP to process the CSS of and copy their style, etc. for the CSS. Make all the pages you have already look the same, then create dashboard of their style with some changes to colors, etc. You're making just the dashboard internally. You have to log in to see and pay to use except free users. And you just give this and then we give this. So this is Gina. I use Gina for most of my scraping. Gina or Bright Data for sure are the two that I use the most. It's an r.gina and this is an s.gina. That's basically all you need for an entire web scraping process, by the way, just that 6 lines of code. So yeah, really like, hello Hamish, here we go again, one more project. I've already made, I've made a boilerplate now for everyone to use. I'm just testing out the boilerplate. I'm not actually making a project. I'm just literally, what's it called? Making I just made a boilerplate so you can all make your own projects. I'm just testing what you can get it in the description. It's linked. It's completely free to use. I'm just testing it out now. Okay, and then we need an open router key. I will be deleting this at the end of the stream, so don't even bother trying to use it. Open router API key. Okay. It's a very detailed prompt, so I feel like this is going to do this quite well. Okay, so looks like we're making good progress. This is actually really, really, really fucking interesting to use. I'm not gonna lie. I would have paid a lot of money for this back in the day. Not back in the day, like recently I would have paid money for this. 25 users, so 25 viewers. The title matters so much when you're live streaming, it's crazy. I recommend just changing your title a lot when you're live streaming on YouTube, guys. Hey Artisan, how you doing by the way? I love saying, "Don't come back to me. Don't come back to me until it's working." That's my favorite thing I need to say to Claude. This is pretty game changing. I don't know how long I've been doing this for. Like, I don't know when I started this part of the like this conversation with Claude. Maybe I can see actually. No, is there not a way to see? I swear there's a way to see. No, status maybe. Probably crab time, right? Nah. Nice. Yeah, already 10k XP. Really, really fast. This Colossal Blade, guys, severely underrated item. Really, really good item. Okay, so it says it's running. Start it yourself. Kill all other processes. Battery. The first prompt of each project is well written and thorough. After an hour, it becomes fix it. Yeah, true. Very true. Very true. Very true. Okay, so right, if this works, I can now go to localhost, and however long that took, I already have a. I just accidentally closed everything. Oh no, what? I should have a project running. View pricing. Failed to create checkout section. That's annoying. Oh right. Hmm. Oh, I see. The database already has data in it when you push question mark. Is that? Yeah, it does work. Crazy. I know what's happened. It's because I'm still logged in there. It's fine. So, guys, basically what this is it's an entire fucking SaaS boilerplate that people sell for quite a lot of money, from what I understand. I think I've looked at them. I looked at them before for sure, and they were very, very expensive. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Use a sub agent to do this, please. Oh, wait, I need to add the player MCP. Oh, I need to do that in the actual code as well through. Um, I'll do that later. People can just do it themselves for me. Wait. Okay, I might actually change to haiku here just because otherwise it's going to take too long, I would say. Or maybe not. We'll see. I think I'm also just going to change model here. Otherwise, it's just going to be too slow. I can't be else waiting for Sonic right now. There we go. That's so much faster. What the hell? That looks like a pretty good prompt. I'm not gonna lie. Good luck. Lol. What the fuck? Oh, nice. It's actually doing it. Crazy. I didn't process. I wanted it to process the CSS, but it's fine. Whatever. I just want to see what it can do. So that means that, yeah, anyone can just use this repo, basically. It's pretty sick. Yeah, I just made a Claude Code boilerplate. I don't think that's been done before. Maybe it has. Did you see how Claude Code just set itself up? Do you not think that's really fucking easy? Like, what the hell? That's so much easier. Still kind of slow, isn't it? We'll let it cook for a bit. Have some water while we wait. Keep up your water. Oh wait, actually, I'm gonna look for something quickly, guys, just for my peace of mind. Oh, that's right. That's here. Sure. No, that's not. No, no, no. I swear it was there. I hate it when you think something is somewhere and then it's just not. I hate that feeling. It's got to be the worst feeling. That was RuneScape. The old logout classic. Oh god, I need to find that letter. Real bad. Fuck. I hate when I have to find something. It's the worst, man. Why do people leave me responsible for anything? I have no fucking clue. Like, I wouldn't trust myself to be responsible for things. Hmm. Letter. Hmm. What's everyone working on anyway? I can't believe there are 25 people watching me at almost midnight in Europe. You guys are crazy. When is Google going to release any model, man? Were there no new models today either? Like, what's going on here? Ah, come on, man. I need a new model. Android Studio Narwhal releases. No, we're not. Well, I'm crazy then. One of us is. Probably me, to be fair. I will make sure I make a video about this boilerplate, guys, for sure. This would have saved me a lot of hassle if I'd had this. Now, if I want to make a SaaS, like I have somewhere to start as well, which is really nice. If I was a letter, where would I be? Just hit 39. Jesus. Where's the new AI model today? Come on. We all love new AI models. What we got? It's timing out or something, right? Okay, I closed it. But okay. It knows that it's not running now at least. Okay, good. You should be able to have a conversation with Claude while it's in this like this subagent. Ah, that's why Claude Web. That's how Claude Web works, I guess, right? I need to check out Claude Web. Claude Code Web, I should say. I need to check that out for sure. Okay, well, I mean, we've got the boilerplate, which I'm really, really happy with. I'll go away, I'll make a video about that. This part's less important to me, to be honest with you. I could probably spin up multiple subagents to make this quicker. In this case, it probably wouldn't, because you're updating files, not changing files. I guess it's a little bit different. Seems like it's getting stuck, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, the background tasks died. It'd be fun if we as a community builder on the same project together somehow. I'm not sure how it would work. Perhaps we would get messy, need good structure, but it would be fun if possible. It'd be super messy, that. Super, 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 super messy. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened there. It kind of got stuck and then. Oh, oh, okay. Well, cool. Nice. Okay, well, I mean, I've pretty much set up an entire SaaS in like 8 minutes here, which is even further improvement on what we had the other day. Yeah. Mm-hmm. There's no way this just works, right? Guys, I mean, like, I started this minutes ago, literally under 15 minutes ago. Jesus. I've even got 5 of 5 leads, resets daily at midnight UTC. I could just release this, literally. It's 8 minutes in, 10 minutes in, and I could release this. Fucking Jesus, things are getting fast. Boilerplates, man, that was the next thing I needed. Thanks, Kenrick, if you're here. God damn. Fuck. I hate this system. It's so annoying. I just fucking stopped them again. That's so annoying. I really didn't want to do that. Oh yeah, wait, I wasn't supposed to be on this. Oh look. No way, bro. Are these actually Shopify? Oh, what? What? Okay, that was unexpected. Okay, they're not all. Oh, sorry, yeah, they're not all Shopify websites. It pretty much works though. It's pretty much there. It's just missing a few things. Yeah, look, it shows you everything it did. Oh, it just found their examples page. That's hilarious. Still, really, really cool. Yeah, I mean, this part is kind of the less important part. I did upgrade though, so I'm not sure why it's saying I didn't. I think it's because I have a weird account. Let's do one more little test here. Because that would be annoying if that part doesn't work. Yeah, but I'm free. I'm a free account. I want. Oh, what the hell? I just changed everything again. Jesus. So this is just a prompting problem. Just so you know, it hasn't prompted it properly, or like the workflow of the prompt isn't correct. But I mean, that part is kind of the easiest thing to fix in an application like this, to be honest. And because I got it to basically print out everything it was doing, 25 of 25 leads. Guys, enjoy your boilerplate. I'll keep working on this. Honestly, this is pretty fucking cool. I'll probably make a few more boilerplates, to be honest with you. I really kind of like this concept. I always have. There we go. Yeah, wow. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. I think I'll leave the stream there. I think that I've shown the power of this by just building, a new SaaS in kind of 10 minutes. Obviously, it's not perfect, but just the fact that you can get to this kind of point in 10 minutes is pretty crazy. You can see it works once you've fully logged in and stuff. I've got 25 credits, and then this part here is just the problem with this part here is the workflow / AI. So you can very easily work on that. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll be back again tomorrow. Really, really do appreciate anyone that came to check out the stream, etc. It's great to hang out with you guys and work on things. Shout out to anyone that gave me any advice as well in the stream, you guys, and also just anyone that uses any of my advice, etc., etc. Thank you so much. Why is it when I'm saying bye, people start to join? I really hate that. I'm peacing out, guys. Otherwise, I'll be streaming all night long. Get the free repo in the description, or just look out for the video that I'm about to make on it.